This is analysis for week 2. We are looking at the USD CAD pair, which is the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Let's go take a look. As we can see, price been consolidating in the higher time frame between that support right here. I mean, between this resistance. This is a weekly resistance and a weekly support. Price been consolidating. Price went down to it, and now it's on its way up to that resistance right here. So right now in a daily time frame, price in a consolidation, but in the shorter time, in a shorter range, it's in its way. It came back from the support. Now it's on the way to the resistance. To get to the resistance, it's giving us higher high and higher lows, and we are in the inside that consolidation. We are in an uptrend. Okay, so understand really what I'm saying. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour time frame so we can take a look what happened last week. As you can see, this is it right here. Price. This is what price is doing, and we were expecting price to get to that daily before it get to that weekly support resistance. I mean, now we can see price this week open here. Now we knew price could have stopped somewhere around here. Okay, because there is a 4 hour support right here, and there is the EMA 200. So we were thinking price will get to it, to that EMA or that support, because we can see there is many support right here, and to price to go to price to went up, came down to that level again. See, create a new level right here. So to come to that level right here, let me do this so you can see that level. That's what we're expecting price to do next week, to come to that level and then to continue to go up to break that resistance and get to that consolidation support, consolidation resistance. That's what we expected. So what did price do? You can see price open, came down, get here, didn't go all the way down. You can see how long it does here, how many 4 hours it stay here, it stay here, and finally price break through, and then price get to that daily resistance, and it's its way down. So as you can see, price right now, most likely next week, this is the 4 hour time frame. It's already giving you, this is a gravestone doji. That's telling you price will continue, might continue to go down. That's what I'm expecting price to came to come next week, for price to get here to that level before continue to go up. So this is the 4 hour time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see what, if you were looking at this pair, which is the USD CAD. If you were trader that liked USD CAD, as you can see, this is right here. So price here, when price break this and came back to it, it's get to the EMA. See, it gives you many confirmation it will continue to go down. So there is many opportunity. This is an opportunity. This is a bearish engulfing to take a trade. If you are in the market, you can see price break, come back to test it, doing the test before he went down. That's your opportunity to join. Here, price been consolidating. No trade here. I would not trade any trade here because price spend a lot of hours here. But when price get to that lower, see here you could have taken shorter trade, but that's up to you if you wanted to do that. But why here, if you wanted to take a short trade, that would be the opportunity to take a short trade here on the, see on the support right here. This is the 1 hour support. It's become a support because it couldn't break it here. See how many times it tested here. When price give me that and price come low like this, I would join right here. Even though that's a possibility to do a short trade. What price did? Price went all the way up, and then from that point, price touch it, continue, and then coming down. As you can see, price came down. So here we know price was gonna come here to go down. So that was here. This is an opportunity to buy again, to sell the market somewhere over here, because as you can see, we there's this is a daily resistance. Most likely price will go down, as we can see the market did. So if you bought the market here, you could have take profit somewhere around here. That's up to you how, when you take profit, when how you take profit. This is why we do analysis, so you can take what we said and test it. Look at what the market did for the week. Okay, did we miss it? There is a possibility for us to miss it. There is no, but nobody know everything there is to know about the market. Okay, the market is has a mind on its own. People are in the market. So people do what people is gonna do. There's economic news. There's a war around the world right now, and we might do an analysis, and it did completely the opposite of what we said, because that's the market. You will win, but if you can do your analysis, you know your levels, you know the trend, you know when to enter the market, you know when to candlestick confirmation, when to take profit, then there is a great probability for you to make money. But it's gonna be up to you to know when to get in, when to get out. Take the analysis, put it in your system, check to see if what the market is doing is in the analysis. We welcome everybody to the channel. Listen, we're not perfect, nobody's perfect. We are trying to share with you what we are learning. That's all we are doing.